What you're looking at is not just a bomb. This is a bunker buster, a precision-engineered weapon designed to penetrate the most heavily fortified underground structures. Unlike conventional explosives, bunker busters are built with reinforced hardened steel casings. Their primary objective is simple: penetrate first, detonate later. The secret lies in kinetic energy. When dropped from high altitude, gravity accelerates the bomb to incredible speeds. Upon impact, the hardened tip allows it to punch through layers of concrete, steel, and earth before triggering its delayed detonation system. Inside, advanced guidance systems, often GPS or laser-based targeting, ensure pinpoint accuracy. This minimizes surface destruction while maximizing underground impact. Modern variants are equipped with smart targeting algorithms, penetration depth sensors, and delayed fusing technology. This allows the explosion to occur at the most structurally vulnerable point inside the bunker. The result? A focused underground shockwave that collapses internal chambers, disables command centers, and neutralizes fortified infrastructure. From an engineering standpoint, this is a combination of physics, materials, science, and precision guidance technology working together in devastating harmony. It's not just explosive power, it's calculated destruction. And in modern warfare, precision is everything.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.